Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul to share. Got a 5-pound bag of yellow potatoes, shredded iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, blueberries, some seedless red grapes, sour cream, a tub of butter, mild cheddar cheese, got some mozzarella cheese for homemade pizza making. I picked up another one of these Tipton Grove orange juices. No pulp, but has the calcium and vitamin D. Really smooth and good orange juice. 2% milk. A roll of cinnamon rolls. Grab some pimento cheese. Some cheddar cheese smoked sausages for the grill. Little smokies. And I got a package of these large burritos. I'm going to do a Taco Bell copycat beef and potato cheesy burrito. Hot dog buns. A loaf of bread. 18 count eggs. Blueberry pancake mix. Some cookies and cream Pop-Tart knockoff brand. They had the snack packs 4 for $5. We got 2 butterscotch, 2 chocolate vanilla ones. And for a recipe, I needed some cornstarch. I needed some all-purpose flour. I got 3 Kool-Aids. These were 3 for $1. Pink lemonade, orange, and black cherry. Peppered gravy mix. A chicken flavor pasta side dish, a pizza crust mix. I picked up 2 of these. These are 2 for $1 at my Save-A-Lot, and they're just spaghetti noodles or spaghetti pasta, and it's 3.5 servings, so perfect amount for me to cook for me, John, and Connor. Got some So Cheesy shells and cheese, corn muffin mix. Some Clubhouse crackers to go with the pimento cheese, and another box of these Ginger Evans Deluxe Brownie Mix Chewy Fudge. I fixed some of these the other day and they are so delicious. From the freezer aisle, we picked up the Countryside Seasoned Crispy Wedges, some broccoli and cheese in a steam bag, the 5 cheese Texas toast. This is going to be for spaghetti one night. Did get 3 of these Banquet Brown and Serve original sausage links. We have pancakes every Sunday, and I like to fix sausage links with that, so I picked up 3 of those. We're going to try these yummy boneless wings, and they're hot buffalo style. From State Street Poultry, the crispy chicken strips. These are really good chicken strips. Picked up some meat, and I did 1 pick 5 and 1 that wasn't included in that deal. The pre-pattied ground beef for burgers today. And then I did get 4 pounds of ground beef in that pick 5 deal. And I'm gonna make spaghetti, burritos, cheesy taco rice, you know, so. And then 1 pack of chicken breast, and I prefer to get my chicken from Walmart, so that's why I only got 1 there. Yep, that's all the meat I got today. Last but not least, canned food and like condiments, spices, things like that. They had the tuna 5 for $5 today. I got 5 tuna and waters. I needed to add some green beans to the cabinet, so I grabbed 2 of those. Chef Boyardee pizza sauce with cheese, which we use this all the time for our homemade pizzas. It's really good. And then the Rico's Gourmet Nacho Cheddar Cheese Sauce. I need this for a couple recipes I'm trying out, and I got 2 of those. And then cayenne pepper for a recipe, and paprika, and I didn't have any of those. And I needed cooking spray, so I got the original, and grape jelly This is the squeeze spreadable kind. So I picked up that. And it was decent jelly. So I picked that up again. I always get the Kurt's hot wing sauce. This is really good hot wing sauce. I use this in my buffalo ranch chicken. I do have a recipe for that, so I'm going to link it in the kitchen playlist in the description box as well as the cards, so don't forget to check that out. I needed another buttery rich syrup and a Parmesan grated cheese. And that's all I got at Save Lot today. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the grocery haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Once again, don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional in the kitchen links.